Okay, in this clip, I'm going to show you how to convert a Photoshop element into a graphic symbol. So on our stage here, we have our home page, and this is our monitor graphic that we created in Photoshop. Now, it's always a good idea to convert your graphics to symbols if you're going to be using your graphic in more than one place in your timeline. So to do so, you select your graphic and you go into Modify, Convert to Symbol, and you can name it. And then you can choose the type of symbol that you want to make it, whether it be a movie clip, a button, or a graphic. We're going to choose graphic, and you can choose your registration point. I always like to choose the middle and hit OK. Now if you go to your library, you'll see that you have a new symbol here called TV. We can double click that. It'll take us right to it, and you can see inside this symbol is our graphic. And of course it has a timeline. You can make it move if you'd like, or any other type of things. And that's how you convert a Photoshop element into a graphic symbol in Flash.